Hey there,
Miss Annette, how are you? Nice to meet you. God, you look so beautiful in person. I swear to God, I mean, I love your outfit. Look at you, you look like a princess. Okay, what do you want to do? I mean, you want to have a coffee? You want to walk or something? What do you want to do?
Bunna. Walk. Oh, take away. Yes.
Oh, you want to take away coffee? Oh, okay, I don't think they have it here. Anyways, I really like you. So I want to get to marry you, you know, if you don't mind. I mean, you look so gorgeous.
Mary? Oh, annasgabam sarganya.
Oh, anyways, I don't know what you're saying, but I really take hygiene very serious, and I use iPass, you know. I don't know if you ever heard of it. Do you know iPass? No one is dying. I mean iPass, the soap, you know. I use this for my hygiene. It is it has antibacterial and stuff. I don't know. You don't use this?
Me and you together, Mary, and kill bacteria together.